Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Adam Grant, and welcome back to our channel where we talk about health, longevity, and how to take care of your body as you age. Today we're going to talk about something that affects millions of people around the world: clogged arteries and heart disease. Did you know that some simple vegetables you probably already have in your kitchen can actually help keep your arteries clean and your heart strong? Yes. Nature has given us some incredible foods that support blood vessel health, reduce inflammation, and help prevent plaque buildup. So today, I'll share with you 10 vegetables that naturally clean your arteries and lower your risk of heart attack. Stay with me until the end. Some of these might surprise you. Let's begin. First is spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can eat. It's rich in nitrates, which help relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. It's also packed with antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene that protect your arteries from oxidative stress, one of the main causes of plaque buildup. Even a single serving of spinach a day has been shown in studies to support endothelial function. That's the inner lining of your blood vessels. Try adding spinach to your smoothies, omelets, or as a base for your salads. Your arteries will thank you. Next on our list is broccoli. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which helps your body fight inflammation, a key contributor to heart disease. It's also a great source of fiber, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the so-called bad cholesterol. When your LDL drops, there's less material available to form plaque in your arteries. Broccoli also provides vitamin K and calcium, both of which are important for maintaining flexible, healthy blood vessels. Try steaming it lightly or roasting it. Just avoid overcooking so you preserve those valuable nutrients. Number 3 is garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its healing properties, and modern science backs it up. It contains allicin, a powerful compound that helps reduce blood pressure and slows down the progression of arterial plaque. Regular garlic consumption has been linked to lower cholesterol and improved circulation. In one study, aged garlic extract even showed potential to reverse early signs of artery hardening. Add raw or lightly cooked garlic to your dishes. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. Our fourth vegetable is kale. Kale is another leafy green, loaded with nitrates, antioxidants, and vitamin K. It helps reduce oxidative stress in your blood vessels and supports overall cardiovascular function. Kale also contains fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Whether you prefer it in salads, soups, or baked as chips, kale is a fantastic way to nourish your heart. Number 5. Beets. Beets are one of the most powerful natural sources of nitrates, just like spinach. When you eat them, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels relax and improves circulation. They also have pigments called betalains that act as antioxidants, reducing inflammation and protecting your arterial walls. Some research even shows that beet juice can lower blood pressure within hours of drinking it. If you haven't tried it yet, add some roasted beets to your meals or drink fresh beet juice. Your heart will benefit almost immediately. Next on our list is carrots. Carrots are rich in carotenoids, the compounds that give them their orange color, which help reduce oxidative stress and prevent damage to artery walls. They also contain soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and helps remove it from the body. Eating carrots regularly has been linked to lower levels of LDL cholesterol and a reduced risk of heart disease. You can snack on them raw, add them to soups, or blend them into smoothies. They're simple, sweet, and heart-friendly. Coming in at number 7, tomatoes. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and protect against arterial plaque. Studies suggest that people who consume more lycopene-rich foods have a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. Cooking tomatoes actually increases the bioavailability of lycopene, so tomato sauce or soup can be just as beneficial as fresh tomatoes. They're also high in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels and supports healthy blood pressure. Number 8, onions. Onions contain flavonoids, particularly quercetin, which helps reduce inflammation and prevent blood clots. They also improve the flexibility of your arteries, helping blood flow more smoothly. Onions can also support your body's production of nitric oxide, further enhancing circulation. Try using them raw in salads or lightly sautéed in your meals. Just be mindful not to overcook them, as heat can reduce their beneficial compounds. Next up is asparagus. Asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body get rid of excess salt and fluid, which can reduce pressure on your arteries. It's also rich in folate, vitamin B6, and fiber, all nutrients that support heart health. By lowering homocysteine levels, asparagus helps protect against damage to the inner walls of your arteries. Steam it, roast it, or grill it. Asparagus is not only delicious, but also incredibly supportive for your cardiovascular system. And finally, number 10, red cabbage. Red cabbage is full of anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries that give it that deep purple color. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to arterial plaque buildup. Red cabbage also provides fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, all essential for maintaining heart health. It's an underrated vegetable, but incorporating it even a few times a week can have a meaningful impact on your vascular health. So there you have it, 10 powerful vegetables that can naturally clean your arteries and help prevent heart attacks. You don't need to take supplements or follow extreme diets. Simply adding more of these vegetables to your daily meals can improve your circulation, lower your blood pressure, and strengthen your heart over time. Remember, consistency is key. It's what you do every day that matters most for your health. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Adam Grant, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more heart-healthy tips. Take care of your heart, and I'll see you in the next video.